Oink, 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 oink.
It's a pig.
It is a pig. Oh, hello.
We're making bacon, everybody.
Woo.
What's up? Welcome to the Slot Dogs. We are in New Orleans, Louisiana. No, we're not. We're at the Orleans in Las Vegas, Nevada, and we are gonna play. We actually we have $90 in free play.
Yep, we put $10 in of our own.
We put $10 in of our own. We just had some great luck with free play over at Silver Sevens. Let's see if we can ride that out here
at the Orleans.
At the Orleans, let's play it.
All right, what do you think? 176 or 352?
I say let's go 176.
Take an 88 off the table.
That's solid.
All right, what do we need here?
I think obviously those gold coins, and we want to fill that pig up.
Okay, so 3 of those pots of gold.
Yeah, that makes sense. One more? No. We had 3 harps on that. 3 harps. I don't want a harp on it, but that's nothing.
This is some jazzy music.
It really is. It feels like New Orleans. That's how I feel.
Okay.
Taking a coin. I mean, coin in the pig.
Yeah.
Oh, we're getting a lot of coins in that pig.
Oh, hello.
What's that?
Making it rain,
baby.
What are we doing? Oh, okay. We just got a good line hit.
Ooh, we did it. $96.
Hello.
Hello, Rakin bacon.
Woo.
It ain't bacon. Money is what we're making.
Oh, okay. All right, honey.
All right.
Wow.
Hell yeah.
More ships.
$64.
Dang.
Okay, Rakin bacon.
Oh my goodness. Which, by the way, I never realized I said that all the time.
What?
Oh my goodness, until your sister pointed it out.
Yeah. And apparently you leave the D off.
Oh my goodness.
Penny coin?
720.
720. That's not a bad line in and of itself. We put $10 in this machine. We're up to $230.
Woo!
Oh. Coin.
3 coins.
3 coins? Is that? Sounds like it's something.
Sounds like it. Just a line hit.
It might just be a line hit.
Okay. That's fine.
That's fine.
That's fine. Come on.
2 more. It would be nice to get the bonus. It'd be fun to see what that is.
Yeah.
Or just make it rain again.
It's been a fun game so far.
It's been a very fun game.
Let's see what that bonus is.
People gotta understand that if you're gonna make a slot game, you want some jazzy tunes. You want some excitement.
Oh.
You want to hit the bonus at least once. That's one thing.
Oh man, come on. One more.
Oh, right there. $0.50 of hearts. Is that an urn?
I don't think it's an urn.
But we want to earn some money.
I see what you did there.
I'm a punny pig. Oh, come on.
Come on now.
Oh, 3 coins. Some coinage right there. We got 280.
I think we are officially out of our free play.
We're out of our free play. Pig, let us in. The bonus. Hit me up. Oh.
He got bigger. He like jumped up.
He did jump up.
Now he's just sleeping now.
He's very smooth. Hearts. $2. Hearts and earns.
Oh, he got real big now. Jeez.
I was going cross-eyed.
He is. He's so big. He's like, oh.
That didn't do much more. Here we go.
One more.
Oh,
We got him now. $24.
$24.
There we go.
The hits on this machine. They just keep on coming.
Let's get all those ships again now. Oh, one more, come on.
Are you saying you wanted to make it rain again?
That's right.
Piggy can't handle much more.
Come on. Pop, Piggy, pop. Got some chips. 480.
That's three.
Is that not the bonus? This whole time?
I guess that's not the bonus.
Oh, man.
Or maybe it's got to start at the left all the way.
Maybe.
Huh.
We never pay attention to, like, the things it says down here. What does it say?
It just would have made.
Okay. Well, I feel silly now.
Yeah, me too.
We're so excited.
We're sitting. One more.
It doesn't make noise when it lands until it lands over here. So maybe
that is it then. It's gotta land on that side. See? Ships. $16. $16 in ships, that ain't bad.
That's not bad at all.
I'll take $16 in ships all day. Piggy coin.
Come on, Piggy.
He's so cute. You don't want to say like burst them open, but I mean, you know, bust them open.
Oh, God.
I can't even sing.
Come on.
How much more can we talk
Yeah. This is animal cruelty at this point.
But he's still mugging for the camera. He's such a ham. What happened? Ooh. I was making all the fun, but that's fine. Oh, maybe need 4 of those? Or just
No,
one set? You
just
don't
the 3.
need one set. Okay, cool.
Alright. Oh, look at that cute
He's a
pig.
cute little pig.
Rose little toga. You ready?
Yes.
Here we go. Woo. Rose, reels, adds wilds, adds free spins. Okay, let's get those. That one, go.
Let's bring that one up.
Let's get more of those.
He's dancing. He's great.
There we go. Still have only won 382.
Wow.
Come on. Oh, we got another one.
There it is. 7 of 10 games. Yeah. Oh.
with the crazy line hits we've been getting.
I mean, it's been amazing, but we still gotta.
Let's pop him.
Let's pop the pig.
Maybe that's where the big bonus is. Come on, piggy.
And herbs and chips.
Alright, Toddy, here's the thing. I feel like we're not getting anywhere with this, so I'm going to go up to 352.
Oh boy, okay. 352 down to 150, is that what we're saying?
Is that what you're saying?
Yes, I feel like that's a good idea. Come on, yeah. You know, honestly, I just want to make it rain again.
Yeah, I know, right? It's fun when it does that.
It is.
Come on, piggy.
Piggy.
Pop.
Coin. Pop, piggy, pop. Nope. Piggy.
Oh, man.
Oh boy.
I say we go down to $110.
Oh, that way we make $100
We
profit.
make $100, yeah. And I get to play a little more.
It's a fun game.
It is. Come on, piggy.
Come on, piggy.
Ah.
Oh, here we go. Nope. It's just realistically speaking, this pig can't take much more of these coins.
I know.
Oh, $6.40.
Ah. Todd just kicked me, everyone.
Well, okay, I accidentally tapped you with my foot in the foot. Okay, down to $1.42.
Oh, man.
Gotta go 88 cents on this one.
Alright, here we go. Ah. Oh.
$4? No, $12.
Whoa. Hey.
Okay. Now we're going back up to 3.
Alright.
I think we go back up to 176.
176?
Or 88, yeah.
Or say 88.
Let's stay at 88. Let's see what it's got for us at 88. We got 10 more spins to make it half a bacon. Wait, make it half a cap. Make it rain.
$1.60.
Woo!
Come on,
You know what?
ready?
I'm ready. I think, yeah, let's do it.
Hey, we got
$8.
something there. All right.
Okay. We're still alive, everybody. This piggy still needs to pop.
We're just not getting any more coins.
Yeah. If we hit another line hit and go up like that again, I'd say let's go 176. But I don't know if that's going to happen. Oh.
Yeah. All right. Oh, okay. We got one more spin. Oh, never mind. We have 2 more spins.
Come on.
Come on,
We're getting the
piggy.
coins now. Oh.
Last spin.
All right, here we go.
Ready?
Ready.
Oh. was fun. It was a fun game.
Fun game, very fun game. Started off very hot.
Yeah.
Kind of cooled down, but you know what? It's gonna happen. But still, we're cashing out up $100. That ain't bad. Ladies and gentlemen, if you like this video, please smash the thumbs up. Please share it with somebody you care about. And also, please leave us a comment. But most importantly, please, for the love of God,
subscribe
to the Slot Dogs.